Hi, I'm Heather, a team leader at Scientists in School. As you may know, Scientists in School is currently delivering our hands-on science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM workshops virtually. You may be wondering, what does a virtual workshop look like? Will my students still get to experiment with hands-on science materials? How do we get the materials to their school or home? Here's how it works. The day of the workshop, your presenter connects virtually and guides your students through activities that have been developed to be interactive, age-appropriate, and enhance the curriculum. The workshops are 1 hour in length. During that time, the presenter will interact with students not only through a laptop camera, but also an auxiliary camera, which enables the students to see the materials clearly. Presenters are able to conduct the workshops in a physical or virtual classroom, or a combination of both. Presenters are also able to see the students and answer any questions. Suggested follow-up activities will be sent to you after the workshop.
Beautiful. Everybody's got it floating on the top of their cup. That's what we want to do. So just gently put it out.
Each student has their own mini science bag that contains the materials needed for the activities. Because each student gets to keep their mini science bag, the learning can continue at school or at home long after the workshop. When you visit our website, you'll be asked to create an account. Once you book a workshop, a presenter will contact you and arrange a date and time that is convenient for you and your students. Next, your presenter creates a link and sends it to you. We use Microsoft Teams as our preferred platform. Alternatively, if your school board protocols require you to use a different platform, or you prefer to use your classroom's regular platform, you can create a session link and share it with your presenter. We understand how important virtual security and privacy are to you. We ensure our seamless workshop delivery is private and secure. You can book a virtual workshop anytime on our website at www.scientistsinschool.ca. If you have any questions, you can also contact us at virtual@scientistsinschool.ca. On behalf of the entire Scientists in School team, thank you for choosing our charity to help ignite scientific curiosity in the next generation. We hope to see your young scientists soon.